The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra Vacuum offers an all-in-one cleaning solution with its automatic emptying and mop washing capabilities, ensuring minimal maintenance for users. With an impressive suction power of 10,000 Pascal, this vacuum effectively tackles dust and debris on both carpets and hard floors, reducing hair tangles with its dual-roller design. Its corner-to-edge cleaning feature, including a flexible side brush and extra edge mop, ensures even the tightest spots are free from hidden dirt. The VibraRise 3.0 Sonic Mopping System combines high-speed scrubbing with intelligent lifting, allowing simultaneous vacuuming and mopping without leaving dampness on carpets. Equipped with Reactive AI 2.0 and PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, the vacuum skillfully identifies and avoids obstacles, creating detailed maps for optimized cleaning routes. The built-in intelligent voice assistant, activated by saying "Hello, Rocky," offers convenient control over cleaning tasks even without an internet connection.